Tout. American pronounce this word as taught. Taught. Okay? अब जरा कुछ मजे की चीजें देखो. अब हम अक्सर कहते हैं think की second form tout. हाँ? THOUGHT. ऐसे गोरा कहता है thought. Thought. I thought. I thought you were Sarah. मुझे लगा कि तुम सारा हो. ये क्या है पॉइंट? क्या कहा? I thought you were Sarah. I thought you were inviting me for the party. मुझे लगा कि तुम मुझे पार्टी के लिए invite कर रहे थे. Okay? I thought. Was that? Thought. Your tongue comes between of your teeth. It's like thought. Okay? Another scale. Fought. Okay, बचपन में क्या पढ़ा था? Fight, pout. Okay? Fight, pout. Today मारो pout को. Okay, this is called what? Fought. We fought. We fought means हम लड़े. Okay? We fought. Okay? So was that? Taught, thought, fought. Okay? Now, make a sentence on this. I thought he was coming. क्या? मुझे लगा कि वो आ रहा है. I thought he was coming. Okay? Make sure that कि अगर एक past में बन जाए तो दूसरा भी past में ही जाकर बनता है. Okay? I thought he was coming. मुझे लगा वो आ रहा है. I thought he was coming, but he wasn't. क्या मतलब हुआ? लेकिन वो नहीं आ रहा था. अच्छा, दोबारा coming लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. I thought he was coming, but he wasn't. Okay? Because he had fought Sarah. क्या मतलब हुआ? No, मैंने कहा he had fought Sarah. Okay?